Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you this Salem. It is absolutely stunning. The colors, interior, the layout itself is absolutely not only spacious, but it's just kind of like this new look, and I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. So let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know in the comments, let me know what you think and if you're interested, because this one, there's only one over here, and I know that it's gonna go fast, so let's go from there. So it is a bumper pull, the Salem Hemisphere. It is a 2025 model 308RL. That is rear living. So we got one slide on that side, and I believe two slides. Yep, two slides on this side. It is your fiberglass Salem Hemisphere. You got speakers underneath it, awning. In fact, you got two awnings. I love seeing two awnings. You can pull them both out, and you can sit on both sides of you can take the full size of this RV and sit wherever you like. You got your little dog leash right here if you needed one, and you do have your leveling right here, and it's going to be in the front and the back, which makes life a lot easier for sure. Of course, I'm sure we have the backup camera prep as well. Perfect. So and I don't know if you noticed these windows. They are I love this. So in-class tinted windows. Not only does it look fancy, but it also keeps that heat or the cool from in or out. So, let's take a look inside. All right. Absolutely stunning. And I don't know about you guys, but I think they're just getting better and better. But, you know, when you see an RV, a fifth wheel RV, this is kind of what you see, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. You can't even tell the difference anymore. You've got all of this room because the dual opposing slides, and just like even with an island, just plenty of space to walk around, and it does truly feel very homey over here. All right, so right here, I wanted to show you guys this. This is really neat. So you have your blackout curtain that goes from that side to that side, but it definitely, let's see if I can reach it. It definitely keeps out that heat and the sun. So with the tinted windows and this, I mean, you guys are going to be able to keep out that heat. And in Texas, you definitely need something like that. I love that you got your table and chairs so you can kind of move things around. You got seating everywhere, so that's really nice. You got this beautiful long island that actually does not take up the space of you walking around or, you know, just having that living area space. You also have another extra counter over here, so maybe you've got coffee or whatever that might be. And then, of course, storage above and below. And this unit is wired for solar, so that's really, really nice. You got a nice big fridge here, of course, plenty of room to put all your goods. And then you got a pantry as well, which I love having a pantry in an RV. You definitely need one. And then right here we got our beautiful cabinetry. I love what they've done. I mean, it just looks so great. Nice big sink and plenty of counter space on all three sides. And then you've got more counter space right here, a microwave, your 3-burner oven, and then of course more space over here, or more storage over here. So you've got the hidden storage right behind this. Voila! Look at the amount of room that you have here. So if you've got canned goods, or if you've got things that you just kind of want to put out of the way for a while, this is a great place to put it. Tons of storage back there. All right, right above here we've got our More storage, a beautiful, beautiful, cushiony couch. And let me tell you guys, these couches are super comfy. I honestly would purchase one of these for my own home or my own RV just because they are just absolutely super comfortable. You've got side tables on both sides with storage, and then of course you've got your theater seating right here with plenty of places to put your cups. So if this one's up and you're snuggling in, you do have the cup area right here as well. All right, guys, so let's take a look down this hall. I love the black doors. All right, so we got a nice big shower here. Plenty of storage, plenty of space. Love this mirror. Love the look of this bathroom anyways. And of course the natural light just makes it look even better. And then we've got our master. Let's take a look. Oh, I love the closet doors. I absolutely love that. So first of all, we've got a dresser slash desk. I know that I would absolutely love this. In fact, I'm just going to take a seat, and it's perfect. I love the beautiful mirror here. Nice window. You can put your entertainment over here as well. You've got 2 windows on each side, and I love the backboard. Plus your outlets on both sides as well. And then this beautiful closet. So much space, guys. So much space. Now you can have your washer because it's got the washer and dryer prep on this side, and it says dryer vent location center. So you might have the dryer here and the washer here, and you are able to fold your clothes right down the middle. You've got little cubbies on both sides, plus more up above, hanging your clothes. Tons of space in this closet. So storage is not a problem in this one. But what do you guys think? I like the new design, the new colors. What do you guys think of and look at the space. So much space in this room. They did really, really good. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments, or if you want more information, please feel free to reach out. Would love to help you guys out. You can call, text, email. Come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. But until next time, look at the space.